back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome, and please consider hitting that subscribe button. My name is Nikki. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. All right, you guys, so you could see from the title down below, today we have the November 2019 Snail Mail Sticker Club. This is really, honestly, one of my favorite subscriptions to open. It's just so much fun, and you can't help but to smile when you open this because it's stickers, and stickers make you happy. I don't care how old you are, you know stickers are fun. So before we open it, I'm just kind of remind you guys a little bit about the subscription. Now, this does come from Canada. It does ship free to Canada and the US, and it is $15.95 Canadian, or about $12.50 US dollars each month. And it does ship internationally. There is a shipping charge, I believe about $6 if it is an international shipping. But you will get about 10 or more, excuse me, sheets of stickers every month. And you also will receive like a postcard and like 2 little affirmation cards, which one for you and one for you to pass along to a friend. And I really love that. I think that is awesome. So I will put a link to Snail Mail Sticker Club down below if you would like to check them out. And I'm pretty sure I have a promo code. I believe it is Nikki20 to get you 20% off, but I will double check, and that promo code will be down below. But yeah, let's get in here and see what we got for November. So here we have our stickers and our little sheet here. It says November. The end of 2019 will be here in a flash, and we are so looking forward to the holiday season. What about you? This month's affirmation is, it's okay to make mistakes. We all need that reminder sometimes. Will you share the second card with a friend? It says, what are your fave stickers this month? Here are ours. And I think it's so cute. They always every month put little pictures. I think it's a mom, dad, and like their children, and they pick their favorite stickers every month, which is always cute. I can already tell you that the it's okay to make mistakes affirmation I am loving, because y'all, it's okay to make mistakes. Sometimes we do just need to be reminded of that. So I really, really like this and just the positive message that it sends. So, and then we have our postcard. It says, you're a star. So that is super cute. And then we have our stickers. So let's get in here and see what we got for November. All right. So the first ones are these cute little elephants. Those are so cute. All right, and then we have some holographic type dinosaurs, or at least they reflect a little holographic. They're so cute. And then, oh, I like these. I like these a lot. They're like gemstones, there's hearts, diamonds, but they're raised up. I really like those. I think those are really cute. And then we have, it's like crazy fruit candy or something. But I'm thinking, I think these are scented. It says Scentos.com. Let's see, we'll scratch the little blueberry down here. He's like scratch and sniff. Yep. So we got some scratch and sniff fruit and candy type stickers. Oh, I like these. We got some arrows. These will be good for to put in planners. And I mean, you can use these stickers in planners, on cards, all kinds. I mean, this would be a great subscription for a teacher. So, oh my gosh. So this is so cute. These are some sloth stickers. I think sloths are so adorable. but it's like they're saying, awesome, wait for me, pace yourself, hang in there. Oh, aren't they so cute? Those are precious. All right, and then we have, again, these are kind of raised up. We have like some birds. They're really cute. Like, they're definitely different. I really like those. Y'all, we have llamas. We have llamas. These are like party llamas. Like, they're about to throw down. There's like balloons and they have gifts. Oh, I love it so much. And then you can see like the feet and some just different accents on different places. There's like the gold foil that's reflective. Love those. Love those so much. All right. That's what I'm saying. You can't help but smile when you open stickers. These are really pretty. These are like really pretty. We have some butterflies and flowers. Those are gorgeous. Those are so pretty. Like, really, really pretty. These are cute. All right, so this is like, I don't even know, like, there's like little mermaid people on here, some lambs, some bunnies, looks like some geese or ducks or something, some pigs, a dog, some bumblebees, just a variety, even little children. Like, there's just, those are really cute and just fun. All right, and then we have, these are some like sports stickers. So you have like a hockey puck, a tennis ball, soccer ball, volleyball, football, baseball, basketball. We're number one, go team, all-star champions, and then it spells out champion down here in individual stickers. So that's definitely fun, especially like if you're doing a scrapbook, you know, of say your child's sports team or something for the year. So I like those. All right, and then we have one more sheet here. Oh, these are cute. So we have like some dinosaur eggs up here, and then we have some cute little jamming out rock star dinosaurs and some surfing dinosaurs. These are cute. We have one reading a book, some skateboarding dinosaurs. Those are adorable. And then more eggs down here. Those are so precious. All right, so let me see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 12 different sheets here, and I am torn. I have 2, maybe even 3, because I do really like these gemstone ones. But I have a hard time, so I need you guys to help me. I don't know which is my favorite. Out of all of these, I would have to say my favorite is going to be between the llamas and the sloths. Which ones do you guys like best? These llamas are just really speaking to me, but then these sloths are just like, aren't they so cute? And look at that one right there. He's just so... Oh, and this one, it says, I need a hug. Oh, y'all. I think they may tie. Because they're just both so darn cute. So, we have 12 sheets of stickers this month. And again, every month we always get, like I said, the postcard, and it will just be like this with some type of statement or design on it. And then the 2 affirmation cards. And again, I absolutely love the affirmation this month of it's okay to make mistakes. So always remember that. Remember that no one is perfect. We are all human and we are all wonderful in our imperfectness. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below Also, which of the two you think is the cutest, and let me know what you guys thought in general of the subscription. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.